we're not just visiting a temple today. We're sailing to a place that almost disappeared forever. Look ahead. That's Philae Temple. But this isn't where it originally stood. Take your time. Every stone around you was carefully moved, one piece at a time. Take a closer look. These carvings tell the story of Isis, one of ancient Egypt's most beloved goddesses. The world came together to save this temple. Without that effort, none of this would still be here today. Some places tell history. Philae survived it. Come and experience it for yourself. Now look around. Imagine this island slowly sinking beneath the rising waters of the Nile.